taking the snow like a carpet. Yeah.
Lean into it.
Hey, take this one. Oh, it got cold. Shit.
Fail.
It's kind of far away and it's kind of just a snowball.
Oh, yeah.
Snowballs are better than paper balls, if you know.
Snowballs are better than softballs.
Oh my god. That's a big snowball.
Lexi, you guys said that.
Randy, move the sled.
Hey,
Put it on the sled.
We're still trying to get snow. No, guys, go. Watch out. Michael,
this is a big snow.
what the?
I ever seen though.
Put it inside again. Put
Yeah.
two. Put two after another.
It was like a puzzle piece.
You want two, Rand? Yeah, let's make that one bigger.
Yeah, let's make it bigger.
Oh! Oh!
Dang, Michael.
Muscle in it.
I was aiming for your head if it makes it any better.
Okay.